Hello, welcome to Logic Lab channel. In today's video you have to guess the country name by filling up the blanks. Let's go. Guess the country. Belgium. Do you know this country? Canada. Any ideas? Australia. It's an island country. Right answer, Cuba. Guess the country. Greece. It's a country in West Asia. Israel. This country is known for its diversity. India. This is easy to guess. Korea. Maldives. This country is in North America. Right answer, Mexico. Any guesses? Nigeria. Can you this country? Oman. It's an island country. Singapore. It's a country in East Africa. Uganda. Can you guess this one? Vietnam. It's a country in South America. Paraguay. This is easy to guess. Brazil. Can you guess this one? Mongolia. It's a home to diverse wildlife. Namibia. Any guesses? Latvia. Guess the country. Georgia. Can you this country? Fiji. Ethiopia. Bolivia.